Hey guys, so I'm going to go over module number 2. I'm just going to do this on module 1 and 2. I already have one for this, but I'm going to do module 2 now, which is the second half of week 1, June 6th through the 9th. So you're going to read chapter 3. We are skipping chapter 2. The visual elements of art, we're going to watch the lectures on that, lecture videos, which are down here. Take the quiz on that. Then you would do the elements of art assignment. So this is basically you select an artwork from the textbook, not from chapter 3 or 4, and you kind of make a recipe of the composition, explain why you think specific visual elements of art were included by the artist and how they help to create content or meaning in the work. Pick out as many visual elements as you can identify in the piece that you choose from the book. Try to theorize why the artist chose those elements. What do those elements, how do they create meaning in the artwork? Explain how the artist used the elements to convey meaning, like I just said, and write at least 2 paragraphs. Include the image of your artwork to accompany your writing. It can be pulled off Google Images, or you could do a snip tool if you have a PC, or a screenshot on a Mac, if you have a Mac. Include the page number of the textbook that you found the artwork on as well. Include a PDF or Word document for a grade. The visual elements listed in our classroom text are as follows. So these are going to look different everywhere you look, but we're going by our book, so make sure you're using this as your guide on the visual elements of art. Yours does not need to be this long, this is just an example, but we do have the artist name, title of the artwork, the page of the book that we found it on, a picture of the artwork, and then 2 paragraphs explaining the different elements found in this piece and what they mean and how they're being used, and going into quite a bit of detail on that. So that's the elements of art assignment. You really want to understand the elements of art and how they are used and why they're used by an artist, and how they're creating meaning in the artwork. So you do need to really focus on that and get that down and explain that well. So chapter 4 PowerPoint, lecture videos on chapter 4 quiz, and then we have the principles of design, and these are different, but this is similar to the elements of art, but we're just going to be picking a artwork from the textbook, not from chapter 4, list the page number, the artist name, date, medium used, and then describe and analyze how the artist uses the principles of design in the artwork. Identify and describe the main principles of design that you can find. There's probably going to be more than one. And then explain why the artist used that principle, how it makes meaning in the artwork. Write at least 6 sentences. I believe I just asked for 1 paragraph for this one. And then these are the principles of design as listed in our textbook. This is going to look different if you Google it, so use this list and use our textbook. Submit a PDF or Word document for a grade. So that's basically, we're going over the elements of art and principles of design with this week. Read through this stuff carefully, read through your chapter carefully, listen to the lecture videos, take the quizzes, and you should be good. All right, thanks. Talk to you later.